Welcome back. I have this free 3D title to give away on my Ko-fi page, the link is in the description. I will just show you how it works. Download the .settings file from my Ko-fi page and then copy that file into the path in the description. This varies depending on the operating system. Once you have copied it into the folder, start, or restart, Davinci Resolve. You should now find the globe title in your title section within the effects panel. As usual, drag and drop this onto your timeline. You will see that there is no actual globe. This is because I don't have rights to distribute a picture. Therefore, all you need to do is download a picture or create one yourself. Of course, it can be any picture you like, not just a world map. To add the picture, go to the Browse button in the inspector and select an image file. Here I have one I downloaded earlier. You should now see a globe appear. You can adjust the text to your liking, including font and size. Please note that you can adjust the size a little, but large changes will not work well with the rotation animation. In this fusion composition, there are 3-point lights which can be adjusted in terms of intensity and color to give you different looks depending on your requirements. And finally, if you want the animation to persist for longer, simply hold Alt and click and drag a new version of the title on the timeline. Once this renders out, you should have a seamless continuation of the rotation animation. That's it. I hope you find this helpful and you can use it in your projects. Let me know in the comments. Please subscribe.